Dating we will have ng 2 at sa b squared is equal to u, b is equal to u. So now we can just use the formula right away. So yeah, we know that arc sine RA is 4, which is the square root of 4 is 2. Under u is equal to tan squared theta. If we square that, it will give us u tan theta. So we'll have tan theta plus c. So we will have this answer plus c. So now let's move on to our final example. This problem, so for example number 5, to solve this, we need to use Triggs identities and use substitution. So we'll let u be equal to tan, and so we'll have 1 plus u dx over cosine squared x square root of 5 minus 3 u squared. So we know that the derivative of this function is this x squared x plus dx. So we just cancel this out and put this to the other side. We will now have 1 plus u d u over 6 squared x over cosine squared x 5 minus 3 u squared. So we know that the value of secant squared x is 1 over cosine, so this will just cancel out. So we'll now have 1 plus u over the square root of 5 minus 3 u squared du. So to solve this integrand, we need to split this into 2. So let's first solve for this first integral. So we factor 3 here, we will have 5, 3 minus u squared du. So, getting the 3 out, we'll have that. And we now have this integrand, which we can now use arc sign to solve for the first integral. So we have RA would be the square root of our RU will be tan x, and our A would be square root of 5/3, 5/3. So we now have our first integral. So we will now solve for the second integral. So we will now solve for our second integral. So to solve this, we need to use u substitution. So let's use v because we have used u. So we'll let v is equal to 3u squared. So dv is equal to 0, negative 6u du. So we know that this is the same as our numerator. So we can just let the 6 cancel and put to the other side. So now we can use this formula. So we have now 1 over negative 6 integral of dv and v. We know that this formula refers to the logarithmic integration. So we can just negative 1/6 times we have here square root of x. So we cannot use logarithmic integration, but we can use power formula. We have negative 1/2 plus 1, negative 1/2 plus 1. So negative 1/6, negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. Same as here. So 6 over 2 is 3. So we have negative 1/3. So we know that the value of v is just equal to 5 minus 3 u squared 1/2 plus c. And we know that the value of the value of u is tan. The value of u is tan. So we just substitute the value. We now have final answer for this problem. Now negative negative 1/3 5 minus 3 tan squared x 1/2 plus c. To simplify this further, for you to see it better, so 1/3 sine negative 1 tan square root of 5 over square root of 3 minus 1/3 square root of 5 minus 3 tan square root x plus c. So, if you want this to simplify, you can put the square root of 3 here in the numerator, but it can be your final answer. So, this is our final answer for example number 5. So, for us to solve inverse trigonometric integration, we need to remember this formula. The arcsine formula, the arctan formula, and the arcsec formula for us to be able to solve problems involving inverse trigonometric integration. Another techniques for us to solve for other problems or other integrand involving integrands that are in that problem, which combine with inverse trigonometric function. So that's all for this topic. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understand.